Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the EM Trader. Now we can see where Dow Jones and other indexes which are tradable, we can trade on Monday. Okay, now we can see that what happened on that day. You can see that this is the area where we have to buy it. Okay, but what happened? A slightly gap up within a 5-10 minutes. It make a very big candles. Okay, then it continuously consolidate, then it tries to go up, but it taken a resistance and come down. What we can do now, we can see. Okay, on Monday trade, how we can trade on Monday. Okay, you can see that what happened here is one of the resistance supporting area, because you can see that it continuously taken a here support. So what we can do is, your first target, this is your second target, and this is your third target. These three target upside you can take it. Okay, if it come down, okay, if it come down and take a resistance from this area, you can surely go for your first target, this is your second target, and this is your third target. Okay, this is your first target, second target, and third target. These three target you can go for. Okay, now I can also show you next Nasdaq 100 index. Okay, what we have seen on that day, what I have told you is that if it take resistance from here, your first target will be this, second and third. What happened? It taken a support here, continuously consolidate, and slightly it breaks upside. But what happened? It doesn't sustain and come down within 10 minutes closing hour. Okay, what we can now see is that you can see here is one of the resistance area. Okay, now we can see that uh, here, if it take resistance from here, your first target will be here. Okay, if it breaks upside, okay, if it breaks upside, then it comes, then you can go for surely your first target. Okay, and this is your second target, this two target. Okay, upside, if it take resistance, your first target will be this, second target, and it taken once again resistance, then you can go for surely this is your second target, third target, fourth target, and fifth target. This is all 5 target you can go for. Okay, now we can see in SPX. Okay, you can see that in SPX what happened. What I have told you is, if it comes here a supporting area, then you can go for your first target. What happened? You can see that a whole day it consolidate, but it reaches our first target. It taken support here. Okay, you can see that green candle, then it continuously consolidate here. Here is, this is the day of option seller day. Okay, it taken here only a resistance. So what we can do is, if it will continues, okay, if it will continue, then it come upside, then your first immediate target and second immediate target, this two target you can go for. Okay, now we can see in downside how it movement in downside. Okay, if it take one here or resistance, okay, if it take here a resistance, then you can surely go for your first target, and this is your second target. Okay, this two target you can surely go. If it what happened, I will just shift this leg. Okay, if it will act as a supporting area here, then you can surely go for this target. Okay, now we can see in next index BKX. Okay, what we have seen is that it is acting as a resistance now. Okay, you can see that we have achieved our target slightly below. Okay, but very big gap up is happened. So you can see that whenever this red candle is made, you can see that fall come, consolidate, now it's coming downside. Okay, what you can do, so now we will see it in downside first. Okay, what I am saying, if it take resistance from this here, your first target will be this. Okay, second target you can go for this, and third target you can go for this. Okay, these three target you can easily achieve. And then in upside, if it open flat, it crosses this line. Okay, I will make one. Okay, crosses, then your first target, this is your second target, this is your third target. Okay, I will draw just one line. If it crosses this line, you have to buy it. Okay, you have to buy it for your first target, second target, and third target. You have to, if possible, take here 100% you book your profit, because this is the very nice very resistance area. You can see that very heavy resistance here, sellers will come, so you can take your 100% here profit only. Okay, in HGX, okay, HGX, you can see that what happened is that we have done nothing. What happened is to, you can see that it continuously taken support, support and support. Okay, here what I am seeing is that here is one trend line. Okay, I will just draw it. Okay, like this, one trend line. Okay, otherwise you can also see that this is also one trend line. Okay, uh, probably this is the one good candle. Okay, but both are nice. Okay, we will just see this line. Okay, so what you can do is to, if it will open flat, then you can go first target, your second target, your third target easily, because this is the one of the most nicest pattern. If it will break, you got first target, second target and third target, because if it open gap up something, so please don't trade this index. Okay, in downside also we can see that what happened is to, if it taken a resistance from here. Okay, your first immediate target, your second immediate target, these two target you can go for. Okay, now we can see in AUX. Okay, what happened is to, I have told you, if it take resistance you can go for this target. What happened, it comes down. Okay, it taking not taken a resistance, it made a very big bullish candle. Then what happened, you can see that however this crossed previous days closing, crossed, you have to go for this target. Okay, up till here you can aim. Okay, but what happened, it continuously making a stiff trend line, then it comes and taking a resistance from here, it acts as a resistance for us. Okay, now we will say that this is your first and second target. Okay, in downside we can see this. Okay, now in downside you can see that however it come and touch, then you can go for up till here first target, second target and third target. Okay, if it will take resistance, your first target taken resistance, second target, third target and fourth target. Okay, this is the target what you can achieve in AUX. Okay, in SOX also what happened, you can see that here is continuously resistance. Okay, now what happened is to, you can see that it take a resistance, your first target, your second target and your third target. This is the three target you can achieve here. Otherwise what happened will be, if it will break, you can go surely for 14,000 first target. Okay, this is the psychological level. If 14,000 breaks, you can go for 14,020, 40,040. This two target also you can easily achieve. Okay, Russell 3000, we can see that what happened, you can see that it continuously making a consolidate and uptrend. Okay, this is the one of the major resistance. So what we can see that if it take a here resistance, okay, from here resistance, you can go for your first target. Okay, then your second target, then your third target. This is the three target for downside. If it opens gap up or slightly, then taken a support. Okay, you can go for first target, second target, and third target. These three target you can easily achieve. Okay. Now we can see that this is the one of the what I have told you. I have not told you upside, sorry for that. What happened, it taken a resistance from here, so it will come down. What happened, it taken a support here and goes up. Okay, some stocks which I have told you to buy in a equity, I will show you. Okay, these are the some of the stock which I have told you. Okay, this is the one of the what this is the one of the major amazing Amazon stock. Okay, Amazon stock, what I have told you, if it will breaks, then it takes support and goes upside. Okay, this is like a in a channel pattern, you can see that. Okay, you can also see like this a channel is going on. Okay, so like this you can also take like this. Okay, now you can see that it taking a resistance, so like that only you have to see. Okay, in Google also what I have told you is that if it will come down, then take support, then it goes up. Okay, in alphabet. Okay, Google we have not done. In BKNG booking holdings. Okay, booking and holdings, what I have told you, if it turn around here only, I have told you here only. Okay, what happened, it goes up, then whenever you have seen that it is continuously making red, you have to short here something. Okay, if uh, if you have to buy a future. So okay, what I have told you, if it will come here, it will goes up till here. Okay, what it has done, you can see that here only red candle you have buyed here. So how much nice you have to got risk to reward is 16%. Okay, your SL will be here somewhere. Okay, here. So within 2% you got a 16% move within how many days? Once again we will just see. Okay, now we can see, not from just a second, I will remove this and make a new fresh. Okay, from here to here. Okay, you can see that within 2nd December you have buy, on 23rd you got a 16% in equity. Okay, this is very nice momentum. If you have taken this, so please do comment you have buy this in equity. Okay, what we have also told you in MELI. Okay, if it take resistance from here, it goes up till here, this is continuously supporting area, so it will turn around. Okay, you can see that how much it is bearish. So one reversal or one green candle also not made. What happened, you can see that this is the supporting area, but what happened, it taken a resistance and coming down. So you have to take, if you have buy the future here, you have got very nice uh, risk to reward. Okay, here you can see that how much green candle it is making now. So however it passes this come and taken here support, you can go for these targets also. Okay, if it made here a green candle or something, so you have got very nice momentum. Okay, if you buy it here also, your SL will be very small. Here only you have got SL hit. Okay, nothing will happen. You have got there very nice momentum, so you have lost 2%, nothing will happen. Okay, you have seen here it taking resistance, you have to buy here future, so you got very nice momentum here. Okay, in ISGL. Okay, ISRG. Okay, you can see that how nicely done a momentum. You can see that what I have told you, if it comes down, it is taking resistance. You can see that what happened, going up, it taken a resistance here only, come down, taken support. Once again you can go for this target too, it taking a again and again. See, sorry, you can see that two momentum you have captured. If you if sorry sorry. So if you have buyed here somewhere, okay, just I will see 10 to 12% you have got here, okay, you have bought on this day or this day, you have got 10% at least, okay, you have buyed here a future sold here future, you have got 10%. Within a 1 month you have got very nice risk to reward ratio, okay. Now we can see in some, okay, in Tesla what I have told you, you can see that I have told you here it will come take a reversal, you can see that it come here, okay. What is our plan is, you can see that how much nicely it make a bullish candle, okay. This is the one of the bullish candle, because you can see that on downside there is only wick and all buyers are here. So you can see that if you have buyed here, what I have told you, this range, you got easily within 3 days 18% move, 18% momentum within 5 days. You can consider 5 to 6 days also, okay. 1 week you can consider, within 1 week 18% you have got. What I have told you, you can see that here only it will take reversal, so you got here, okay. This is intraday stock, what I have told you, please ignore this, what I have told you this. So you have got very nice risk to reward ratio, okay. Now we can see which stock, okay, I have told you Netflix, okay, Netflix. Now you can see that what I have told you, I don't know I have told you or not, but this is also very nice making. You can see that I have told you, I think so. You can see in, I have give you a link description, you can see it. You can see that it taking continuously resistance, and this is acting as a support, so it will breaks. You got very nice momentum. I have told you what happened, it given you a very nice momentum. Then however, you can see that how much nicely you have got captured, 7 to 15% you have captured here, okay. Very nice momentum, because it acting as a pole and flag. You can see that this is the one of the pole, okay. This is flag, pole and flag pattern, okay. What I have told you is that if you have to project from here to here, you can see that what happened, it's showing 16%, okay. However, it breaks, you have to go for at least 75% to 70%, I have told you, okay, not for 100%, 70 to 75%. You can see that 15% it given you, okay. So within 12% also you have booked your profit, you are profitable, okay. Now this is all what I have told you, okay. Now if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please comment down. I will definitely make a video and solve that, okay. Solve your queries whatever you have asked me, okay. Thank you.